Good morning student, myself Amit Maheshwari, and today I am going to start your exercise 2.8 with the help of Bode mass rule. So I am going to explain what is Bode mass rule first in a short. BODMAS Bode mass. So first you have to solve the bracket, then you have to solve the off. Off is also a special type of multiply, but you have to solve it first. Then divide, M is multiply, A is addition, S is subtraction. Okay, so you have to follow the equation with the help of this rule. Bode mass rule means first you have to solve the bracket and then off, then divide, then multiply, then add, then subtraction. Okay, now just look here. First question is 1 upon 3 of 1 is to 1 upon 4 plus 2 is to 1 upon 3. Okay, just convert into a normal improper fraction. 1 upon 3 as it is, off as it is. 4 ones are 4 and plus 1 become 5 upon 4 plus 3 to the 6 1 7, then 7 upon 3. Now off means multiply na, so you have to write here multiply. So when you write here multiply, now just solve. 5 ones are 5, 3 4s are 12. It is 7 upon 3. Now just solve. 5 upon 12 plus 7 upon 3 you write here this side. Now just find the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 12 and 3? LCM of 12 and 3 is always 12. So you have to write the LCM first. I am going to explain this line. Okay, first write the LCM here. Now 5 as it is. Now in the table of this 12, how many times the LCM will come? Only one time. To multiply by 1 plus write 7. Now in the table of 3 12 come 4 times. Okay, when again I am to explain, just write the LCM in the lower side, write the first number here. Now just check in the table of 12 will come 1 time, so multiply by 1, write plus, write 7 as it is. Now check the lower number in the table of 3 will come 4 times. Now when you solve 5 ones are 5, 7 4s are 28, so write 5 plus 28 upon 12. When you had become 33 upon 12. Now there are two ways to solve from this side. Now you have to write 12 33 upon 2 as it is. 12 to the 24 and plus 9 it become 33. Now simply cut 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12, so it become 2 is to 3 by 4. One another method like that one you have to solve. First you have to convert into a mixed fraction. 12 to the 24, 24 plus 9 it become 33. Now you have to cut 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12. So first you convert, then you cut. Another method, first you cut, then you convert. So 33 upon 12 just cut by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So it become what? 11 upon 4 now. So first you cut here, now just convert. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 and 3 11. So you have to write 2 is to 3 upon 4 as your answer. So both are the correct method. Either you can cut first or either you can cut in last, and you have to convert into a mixed fraction. Okay. Now come on the next question. 8 upon 11 divided by 1 is to 2 upon 11 of 5, 3 by 5. Okay, so first you write as it is and you have to write off here. Now according to the board math, first you have to solve off na, so off you have to write multiply. Now just solve. 13 3 is a 39, 11 5 is a 55. Now you have to solve this off. Bracket is not present here. Okay, bracket is not here, just cut it. Off is here, you have to solve. Now divide you have to solve. So when you come on a divide, and when you divide you convert into multiply, it will be reverse na. So it become what? 55 upon 39. Now just cut. 11 ones are 11, 11 5s are 55. So what you got here? 8 into 5 upon 39. So when you solve 8 5s are, what you got here? 40. So write here 40 upon 39. What right here? 40 upon 39. Now convert into a mixed fraction. 39 is 39 and plus 1 become 40. So you have to write here 40 upon 39 is 1 is to 1 upon 39 is your answer. It is an improper fraction, it is known as mixed fraction. Okay. Now just come on question number 3rd. It is bracket here. First you have to solve the bracket. It means you have to solve this equation first. Solve whatever equation given here. Okay. So in bracket first you have to solve off. So just convert off into multiply. Now just solve. And 7 to the 14 plus 2 16 and 16 upon 7. Now just solve. 16 1s are 16. Sorry, just first you have to cut. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So it become 4 here. Now just solve. 4 1s are 4, 4 upon 7 it become 4 upon 9, and divided here. When divide into multiply, the number will reverse, it become 9 upon 4. Just cut by 4 by 4, it become 9 upon 7. Okay, so 9 upon 7, how you write? 7 1 is 7 and plus 2 it become 9. So you have to write 1 is to 2 upon 7 as a mixed fraction. If you want to convert into a mixed fraction, write like that one. Okay, either you can write 9 upon 7 as an improper fraction, or you can write here what? 1 is to 2 upon 7 as a mixed fraction. Both are the correct answer. Okay. Now come on question number 4. So first we see the bracket, two brackets are there, so first we have to solve them bracket separately. First you solve this bracket. In this bracket you have a plus, according to the board mass you have to solve the addition last now, but bracket is there, so you have to solve it first complete bracket. Okay, now just do multiply 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. So you have to take the LCM by shortcut method. 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, and 3 twos are 6. Divide as it is, 1 upon 4 as it is, off as it is. Now show the bracket. 5 threes are, okay, they are showing by different method. When you take the LCM of 6 and 3, it becomes 6. Okay, now 5 as it is in the table of 6. Okay, I will show you a long calculation. See here, 5 as it is, LCM is 6. Now in the table of 6, this in the table of 6 LCM will come only one time, so multiply by 1. Minus 2 into, in the table of 3 LCM will come 2 times. So what it become, 5 ones are 5, 2 twos are 4. So they are writing directly 5 minus 4 by 6. How you write? Just write like that one, write LCM 6 as it is, 5 as it is. Now in the table of 6, 6 come one time, so multiply by 1. Minus 2 into, in the table of 3, this 6 come 2 times, so multiply by 2. So it become what? 5 ones are 5, 2 into 2 4. It becomes 5 minus 4 upon 6. Okay, so you have to write here 5 minus 4 upon 6. So when you solve, it become only 5 minus 4, that is 1 upon 6 off here. Now off means multiply, just convert into multiply. So what you got here, 1 ones are 1, 6 fours are 24, 1 by 24. Put is equal to here also. Now 5 by 6 as it is, multiply, just convert multiply into divide. 1 upon 24, just you reverse it, it becomes 24 by 1. Now 6 1 just 6, 6 4 is 24. What become? 5 4 is 20, and here only 1, so you write here 20 as your answer. Okay, so calculation you can do by yourself, no problem. Either you can cut in last or before that, but you always get the same answer. Okay, so when you convert this divide and multiply, it becomes 24 by 1. 6 1 just 6, 6 4 is 24, it becomes 5 4 is 20. So 20 is your final answer. Now come on the next question. Question number 5, 1.4 of 1.2 plus 1 upon 3 divided by 1 is to 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. Okay, first convert into a improper fraction. 1.4 as it is, off as it is, 1.2 as it is, 1 upon 3 as it is, divide as it is. Now 3 ones are 3 plus 1 becomes 4 upon 3. First step, you have to complete the number from the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now what you do, after board bracket is not there, now you have to solve off means multiply. So just 1 upon 4 off means multiply, you have to multiply by 1 by 2. So when you multiply for 1.4 by 1 by 2, what you will get here, you get here 1.68. How you do that calculation? No problem, just do simple calculation, and after the decimal 1 digit, after the digit 2 digit are there, so from the back side you have to put the decimal after 2 digit. So you will get 1.68 when you multiply this one. So off you solve. Now you have to solve what? Divide. So just divide is here, so divide you have to convert to multiply, the number will reverse, it becomes 3 upon 4. Cut 3 by 3, it becomes 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. They both are same now, 1 upon 4 positive, 1 upon 4 negative, so you have to just cut it. So your answer is only 1.68. It is your final answer. Okay, now come on question number 6. 10.5 minus 1 upon 2 of 5.6 minus 3 upon 4 plus 1.2 multiply 1 by 3. So first you have to solve the bracket. 5.6 minus 3.4, just subtract 6 minus 4 2, 5 minus 3 2, so you will get 2 that 0.2. What you get here, 2.2. So first you have to solve the bracket. After bracket you have to solve the off means what you have to do, multiply. So 1 by 2 multiply 2 by 2, what you will get here, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, so you get here 1.1 when you cut. So when you solve this line, what we get here, 1.1, and when you multiply here, after off you have to do multiply because divide is not present here. So 1.2 and 1.3 do normal multiply. When you do normal multiply, you get 156. From the back side to the 2 decimal, it becomes 1.56. So right here 1.56 when you multiply that one, and when you solve this off, you have to get 1.1. Now what you do, just write addition number together and negative one side. When you add 10.5 and it is 1.56, so just do it balance, increase 0 from your side. 6 5 to the 10, 0 carry 1, it will become what, 12.06. It become what, 12.06. So 12.06 minus 1.1. Now just subtract 12.06 and 1.1. Now subtract 0 from your side, you have to try to make it balance. 6 as it is, 10 minus 1 become 9. It become what, 1 minus 1 0, it become 10.96. So your answer is 10.96. When you subtract, you will get 10.96 as your answer. Now come on question number 7. Question number 7 is 1.8 minus 1.2 multiply 1.4 plus 3.4 divided by 1 by 7. Okay, first you have to solve divide according to board mass. So 3.4, now I will show you 3.4, it become 1.7. So remove the decimal, increase 0, remove the decimal, increase 0. So when you remove this decimal, 1 0 become downside, remove this 1 0 become upside. They will cut to each other. So what will become 34 upon 17. Now 17 is 17, 17 is 34. What you got here? Only 2. So when you divide, you will get here what? 2. Now you have to do multiply. So multiply 12 by 14. What you get here? 168. From the back side, put the decimal after 2 digits, you get 1.68. So right here 1.68 when you do multiply. So when you do multiply, you get 1.68 here. Now just do addition. 1.8 plus 2, it become what? 1.8 plus 2. So write 2.0. So it become 3.8. It become 3.8 minus 1.68. 3.80. 0 from your side you have to make it balance. Now just subtract 10 minus 8 2. Here becomes 7. 7 minus 6 1. And here become what? 3 minus 1 2. So your answer is 12.12. So it is your final answer, 12.12. Okay. Now come on the last question of this exercise. In last question, 4.9 minus 3.8. So now there are many brackets. Now I am telling you which bracket you have to solve. First you have to solve the small bracket, then you have to use the curly bracket, it's a straight bracket. Okay, this one. Okay, they are this type of bracket. So, and what is the meaning of bar? Bar means whatever symbol represent here, either plus, minus, multiply, divide, you have to solve first that one. If bar is there, so you have to solve that operation first. Okay. Now one bar is present here, 0.7 minus 0.2. So first you have to solve that bar. 0.7 minus 0.2. So what you got here? 0.5. 0.5. So right here 0.5. Now just solve the small, just look at the small bracket. This one is the small bracket now. 0.9 minus 0.5. So what you get here? 0.4. So when bracket is solved, you have to remove that small bracket. When it is solved now, so you have to remove it. So 0.9 and 0.5 you get 0.4. So you have to remove that bracket. Okay. Now it become curly bracket 2.7 and 0.4. Now just subtract what you get here. 7 minus 4. What you get here? 3. And 2 minus 0 you got here 2, so you got 2.3. So when you write 2.3, just remove the curly bracket also. Now become the large bracket or big bracket. So it become 3.8. When you solve this one, you get what? 2.3. Now 3.8 and then minus 2.3. What you got here? 8 minus 3 5, 3 minus 2 1. So you got here 1.5. So right here 1.5. When you solve the bracket, then that bracket will automatically remove. When you solve that bracket now, then it is automatically removed. So first solve small, then curly, and then large bracket. Okay. So small when you solve, when you get the answer, then it will be removed. So you get 0.4. Now when you solve the curly bracket, so when you get 2.3, that will always also remove. Now when you subtract 3.8 and 2.3, so you get 1.5. When you get the answer, then the bracket also remove. Finally you get what? 4.9 and 1.5. Now subtract what you got here. 9 minus 5 4, 4 minus 1 3. So your answer is what? 3.4. So 3.4 is your final answer according to the board mass rule. Okay. So according to the board mass, if you find any bar, so you have to solve that bar first. Okay. And bracket you have to solve like that one, first small, then curly, and then large bracket. Okay. Like that one you have to solve. So if you have any doubt in any question, you can ask me now in exercise 2.8. Thank you.